How do you whistle? Just pucker up your lips and blow. It's such a cheesy movie. I love it. All right, today we're gonna be making the French 75 from the 1942 movie Casablanca.
He's looking at you, kid.
With Humphrey Bogart and Ingrid Bergman. This drink was actually ordered in the movie by Rick's old flame, played by Madeleine LeBeau. We're going to be using 1 ounce of gin. We're going to be using a ½ ounce of lemon. Just a splash of simple. This isn't about being sweet. This is a very fun drink. Oh, we're going to shake this with ice. Then we will strain it. And then top with champagne. So dramatic. With a little orange twist. So to enjoy this, I believe you just pucker up your lips and sip. Here's looking at you, kid.
I think this is the beginning of a beautiful friendship.
Don't forget to follow and subscribe so that you can keep up with all the fun things we're doing here. And don't forget to click the link below so that you can make your reservation and come in and enjoy one of these delicious drinks tonight. Thank you.